In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download songs from SUNO AI step by step. To get started, open SUNO AI in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, head over to your library. This is where all of your generated songs are stored. So if you've created music in SUNO before, this is the main place you'll need to work from. If your library has a lot of tracks in it, take a moment to look through and identify the exact song you want to save to your device. After you found the track you want, the next thing you need to do is open the download menu for that song. To do that, look for the three-dot menu next to the track. Click on those three dots and a list of options will appear. From that menu, choose Download. This is the option that lets you export the song from SUNO and save it locally on your computer or phone. Once you click Download, SUNO will show you the file formats available for your account. The options you see depend on your plan. If you're using the free plan, you'll typically be able to download the song as an MP3 audio file or as an M4A video file. If you're on a Pro or Premier plan, you may also see the option to download a WAV file in addition to MP3 and M4A. WAV files are higher quality, so they're especially useful if you want cleaner audio for editing, production, or professional use. At this point, click the format you want. If you just need a standard music file that's easy to share and play on most devices, MP3 is usually the simplest choice. If you want the highest audio quality available, choose WAV if your plan includes it. After selecting your format, give SUNO a moment to prepare the file. In some cases, the download starts quickly, but larger or higher quality files, especially WAV downloads, can take a little longer to process. When the file is ready, it will download directly to your device. After that, open your downloads folder on your computer or phone to find the saved song. From there, you can listen to it offline, import it into a DAW for editing or mixing, upload it to social media, or use it in your own projects depending on your SUNO plan and licensing terms. And that's it. That's how to download songs from SUNO AI quickly and easily.